Parler is an online language school based in Switzerland and specialized in teaching French to English-speaking expats. Our mission is to make you feel at home in French. We provide the right tools so you can be more comfortable and confident to enjoy your day-to-day life as a francophone. Our services answer your specific needs and will help you to acquire, review, and consolidate the fundamentals of French to bring you to the next level.
It has been so much more fun to learn French than I originally thought was possible. My professor Johan is excellent, and I find joy in the courses and learning with each session.
It was really fascinating to see that in the very first months, your confidence to speak freely during a conversation improves a lot.
I'm easily able to apply what I've learned into my life here in Geneva.
Together, we will focus on what you really need so you can make the most of your private or semi-private lessons with us. This includes everyday French, business French, FIDE exam preparation for Permis B, C, and Swiss naturalization, or other exam preparations such as DELF and DALF. Our language programs are an investment in your future in French. All of our language programs, from a starter kit to extensive learning, grants you bonus access to our e-courses. Premium webinar program, French for Everyday Life, 30-day French challenge, special webinar series on health, family, and work, FIDE exam preparation webinar. Through our subscription model, our premium webinar program, you will be able to interact with our super prof during a live group lesson broadcasted every week on Zoom. Here's what is included in our premium webinar program: 4 times 45-minute live group lessons every month, live Q&A session at the end of every lesson, a PDF document to download after every lesson with a summary of the explanations and exercises, extra homework, and the answer sheet. Unlimited access to a library on demand which contains more than 80 recordings of live lessons. Focus on everyday French, level A1 to A2, and business French, level A2 to C1. Try out our premium webinars today. Only 20 Swiss francs per month, and the first month is free. It is the best way to get a sense of our methodology before moving to your private lessons.
My advice is to go for it.
Check out our website for more information.
So make the most of this opportunity and subscribe today. We really look forward to having you in our little family, la famille Prêt à Parler. Merci beaucoup et je vous souhaite beaucoup de succès en français avec Prêt à Parler.